we were just talking about a bunch of Reese's stuff, and you had to start your video.
Yeah, I'm sorry, dude. You can
Boring.
keep going if you want, though.
So anyway, as I was saying, to continue my story, to elaborate.
No things up here. I'm like at the highest peakest of the. Oh wow, flashbang, Jesus. I can't. The sun, go away. I think I'm at the top, like straight up at the top, but I can't see anything.
Can't see shirts. Can't see shirts.
I can see you down there.
No, you can't. Shut up.
I want the sun to stop being a sun and go away. Oh, Jiver, I found it. There's a rock up here.
Oh my god.
I actually don't know why there's a rock. Just that's a really weird
What
spot.
was the
I fell off.
There was a meme about it recently. Where there was some like super special rock in one of the US states and people were going to it because it had a really awesome name.
The Plymouth
But it was
Rock?
Huh?
Was it
Oh
the
yeah.
Plymouth Rock?
Yeah, where it's just a rock with a dinky wooden fence around it.
I think that's the rock they like carved on or something when they started coming to the shores.
Huh.
I think.
Maybe I'm confusing it with something then. Or I just didn't have that context.
I can't. I want to do shit, but I can't see anything. It's so annoying. I want to get back around. But
If I had a firework, I'd get up there pretty well.
What?
I
see. Never mind.
Yeah.
Make a fucking Minecraft
Elytra.
I just need the sun to go down a bit.
Oh wow! There's an actual party down here. 3, 4, 5. Wait a minute. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 dudes down here.
I want to go the other way and then go down with the sled. Come on. Come on. God. Oh, that almost worked.
Four or 5.
Damn.
I've never seen so many cannibals in one spot.
I've never seen anything, because I think it's all white.
And I never will again.
Like, what is this?
Shit.
Can I just... I can't. I really can't, Jibber. I'm telling you, I can't see
Jibber,
anything.
help me. Didn't you bring your survival sunglasses?
let me put my night vision goggles on real quick.
I'll look up at the mountain and I'll see like what looks to be a candle wick on top of the mountain. Just your face being burned.
I'll get this. I will do it. Why? Is there like a setting I can disable? This is ridiculous. All quality off. Clouds. If I turn these off.
Okay, and I left the hang glider that I took by the edge of the lake. Oh, what the hell? Hey, it's Virginia. I haven't seen her, like, personally in a long-ass time now. God, she's so pale. Like, I don't remember her being that... I guess it's more prominent in the snow.
Dude, I'm about to lose my shit. This is so annoying.
About to go apeshit on top of a mountain.
I'll become the fucking ice troll at the beginning of the serum. We have to go up the...
Brr. Become the abominable Yeti. Abominable snowman.
Why didn't I not...
Are you trying to
Yes,
get
okay.
down specifically, or what are you doing?
I'm about to get down. That was so annoying. I hated that. I hated
Did you
that
build
so
a little
much.
thing on top of the...
I'm done. I'm done
Wow.
with this mountain.
I'm leaving. Deuces.
Get me off this motherfucker.
Remember, you have your sled.
Yeah, that's what I'm... Okay. Maybe. Oh my god. Just go forward, dude. Come on.
You want to ride, Virginia?
Alright, here I come, Jibber. Holy shit!
Going pretty fast.
Yeah. Alright, I finished. Let's see how far it went. How fast it went. God damn. Well, the night shark's all the way on the top of the mountain, never getting that back. I was hoping there's gonna be something up there, but not really. Ooh, wow. That's a flashbang.
There we go.
Ain't nothing quite like having to go up another mountain. That will definitely
That was a
not
weird
piss me
sound.
off.
He's pulling his cock out.
Oh, what?
Uh-huh.
Damn, Jim, you're far away.
Yep.
Alright, Jeremy, you ready?
Nope.
Can you see me from where you're at?
Yeah, let me get up on this little ledge here.
Actually, why don't you get a clip on... Oh, wait, can you do clips on Discord yet?
Why do I hear something? I hear a helicopter. No, wait.
I don't see a helicopter. And it's gonna be foggy up here again.
I legit just heard a helicopter or something.
I'm coming down.
Alright. It might not have been actually a helicopter. It could have been a king with one of those boat motors.
Holy hell.
Ow.
Oh my god. I like my guy just keeps going while I'm going Mach 10 down the mountain.
Just had a weird... Holy shit!
He had a weird...
Just had a weird interaction with one of the cannibals here. One of them attacked me, I one-tapped it, and just destroyed him, and then another one came out of nowhere, stood there, stared at me, and then did like a little dance thing, similar to Virginia, and then just walked away.
What if the animation's bugged? Wait, it did ballerina? Did
Not like. Oh, that's actually Virginia's animation. It was definitely sloppy, and they were just sort of like jumping and twirling around.
was it a
but-
woman or a dude?
It was a chick. It was one of the ones that has the blade fingers or whatever.
Weird.
So I think she was just showing off.
There's a guy above you.
Yeah, I know.
Alrighty, time to come down.
Holy shit! I just got a huge set.
Oh, you're so
Ignore
lucky.
what I said.
There's so many of these things here.
These things.
Things. Shut up. Warn
Shut
them later.
The hell up! Alright, come on. Let's go to that green blip
Yeah, wherever that is. I don't see it.
over here.
I don't have a green blip over here.
Might not have picked it up then. Last time, or whatever, we would have gotten this. There's a knight nearby.
I don't see that either. Oh, I hear the helicopter. Weird. There's also a cave.
I wonder if that's an audio bug. Yeah, this is a green blip.
Weird.
Either an audio bug, which it probably is, or it's like a cutscene sort of thing.
What if like there's another helicopter that's crashing? Maybe that's what that is. I'm so tired of being tired, dude. So
Yeah.
annoying. I'm running out of.
Oh, yeah, we
out of
also-
memories.
We also have that other first green blip area that we can return to. The one with the 3D printer just outside that super bright hallway,
Yeah.
because we have the key cards now.
What the hell?
No, unless we already did that. I don't remember.
Oh my god, look at all these rocks, Jiver. Should you grab some?
What? Yep. The Rock Emporium.
Oh, we don't have the key card for this.
Bullshit? Are you
Yeah,
serious?
I don't. Do you?
Hold on.
I don't know how
I just
you would.
ate
I
the wrong
wouldn't.
thing. God damn it.
Do you not?
I don't.
That's weird. Maybe you have blips that you're not supposed to have yet. Which also wouldn't surprise me. Weird. Because I definitely don't have a blip for here.
I think we need to return to one of the other blips.
Hmm.
That's a bit of a waste of time. There's 3 caves in a row over there, and I don't remember those being there, though. You see that?
All the way past the river.
Yeah.
We'll try those. Might as well. Oh, I can't get in my inventory while we're in this? That's lame. I was gonna bring out the boom box.
Brr. It'd be funny if you could hit long drive style stick shit to this.
Oh my god, that'd be a great
go-kart.
game to play on this. I wonder if it's improved at all. Probably not.
I think it's gonna be super buggy for a long goddamn time.
That game's gonna be so fun once you can play it a little bit more consistently.
Mhm.
That is a river.
Yeah, I was gonna try and floor it across, but hit a tree. Flat spot nearby. That might work right there. There we go. Come on.
What a trooper! Hey, hold on.
Huh?
Let me try something.
It's a weird tree in front of us, actually.
Okay, it doesn't work. Just gonna see if I can like zip line the back of the go-kart and then have you go forward and stretch it out. Also, yeah, I haven't seen a tree like that.
It's like a juniper or something. Or, juniper? What are those weird ones that you see in... All I know them from is, exotic trees. I know they have them in Skyrim.
Juniper. Huh?
The jazzberry, whatever the hell they are.
Jay grapes? Jazz grapes? Jay? I don't know. Could not tell you. Is a camp down there?
I don't know. Yes, there is.
Hi guys. Hello. You guys make this? Sorry.
Hello.
Ah!
Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me, pardon me.
Yo. 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 That's like two camps right next to each other.
Oh, I killed the... I killed the bone monster while it was still on the stick there.
That's good. I'm chipper.
Yeah. Just going for a Sunday drive.
Say, fuck this camp. God damn, we got a lot of spears here. I don't really have anything else.
There's more running in.
Oh shit, hello. Guy behind my ass.
Oh,
He
bruh.
is gone. He is dead. Yo,
Is a bruiser over there?
dude,
Ouch.
look what I got. Yo.
Shit. Almost hit your ass again. It's interesting that there's two camps right next to each other like this.
I don't know. Hey, dodge me, biatch. Yeah, run. Damn, he is hauling ass away from here. He didn't want the crossbow. See if he comes back. Yep, tiptoeing his way back. Can you like sneak attack him?
The fuck was that?
I don't know what he's doing. Have fun over there, Jibber.
Yeah.
He is chasing you. Huh?
Oh, bruh.
What the hell was that?
Just saw a hawk swoop down and grab a snack again.
Hell yeah. Hawks are majestic little nightmares.
There's two more skin bags right there on that bench.
Oh yeah. Wait. Let us commence forth.
Let us.
Let us squelch. I like how the rope just is still standing up normally. Like
Yeah.
he's supposed to be in there.
That happens pretty often, actually. Sometimes the enemies won't even spawn in there, but the rope will be tied.
Developers.
Here,
Get
I
on
gotta
it? No.
step out for a second and see where we're going. We still got a ways to go.
As soon as
That
it
river
turns
earlier.
nighttime, let's sleep.
Okay.
Ooh.
Boots and cats and boots and cats and boots and cats and.
Trevor, are you willing to do a mimeocraft run with me?
Sure. Are we gonna do like a really heavily modded one or just a few?
I don't know. I was thinking about, I know we played it a lot, but I was thinking about showcasing Dauntless. We could try playing.
Is that one that's mostly pre-made, or did you compile that?
I compiled all the mods together,
Okay.
and I tweaked a lot of stuff on it. There's still some stuff that needs to be tweaked.
Shit, this is a big ass river.
Yeah, it is. Is that one of the cannibals just chilling right there?
It looks like a corpse. That's weird.
Oh,
No,
it's
that's a
fireman.
worker guy.
He's got pills. Pills here.
It's a weird spot to die.
He's got little cutlery knives in his shoulders.
There's a dirt path over here that leads into the river. That usually means that there's a shallow enough spot.
I'll do that then. I'll meet you over there.
Right here. Oh. Nope. I immediately kicked me out. I'm gonna just try and shove it across. Oh, bruh.
Did disappear. Alright.
Nothing, just shoving a golf cart through a river by hand. I think the golf cart is the ultimate vehicle in this. It was kind of garbage, I think. They might have changed it, or I've just gotten used to it, though. But it's really good.
That's cool. I was also thinking about gifting you the that survival game where you have to hunt down giant robots. And just
Giant
try
robots.
and play that.
Zero Dawn?
Yeah. I think Zero Dawn. Let me look. Because I know it's one of the games on Steam I haven't played yet.
Mm-hmm. Oh, God. I didn't know it was multiplayer.
No, Horizon Zero Dawn is no, not that one. It's called Generation Zero.
No, I don't know.
Ooh, this is co-op. Store page. Yeah, co-op, survival, adventure, action, survival.
We've got a tent here. Demon. Demon.
He's on fire!
He lit himself on fire, and now you're on fire too.
Am I?
Yeah.
I would go into the lake, but watch out, fire guys come back.
Ouch. He just lit one of his own buddies on fire. Oh shit, Virginia's helping us.
Is she? Kick their ass, Virginia. Fuck them up.
She just got wailed on.
Oh, I got you, Virginia. Whoa. Yeah, fuck them up, Virginia. Let's go. Hey, Virginia, can you come back? I kind of want my shotgun back. And she's gone. She's like, work here is done.
Deuces.
I love Virginia. She's so good. Oh shit, was
Okay,
that
so there's a
brick
cave
C4? It is.
next to us.
Oh. She's coming back.
There's a suitcase of money there.
Mission isn't done. Hi, Virginia. Can I have my shotgun, please? How do I take it back?
I don't think you can.
What? Oh, there we go. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Thank you, Virginia.
Are you in?
No, hold on.
The cave is nearby.
Virginia, you gonna come with us? Actually, here. Yeah, she likes it. Get Virginia all spiffied up. Bye, Virginia. Thank you for the help. It'd be cool if she could get in the back.
Yeah.
She's following us. Come here, you little shit. Yo
Give me
yo.
your num-nums.
Hillbilly.
Fuck. Cave is here. That's a different one. Enter from the top. Oh, interesting. We haven't seen this in a little while.
This reminds me of the first game.
Yeah. I don't think entering from the top like this via rope existed until this one
Alright,
did.
we
At
gotta.
least
I gotta let
a
my
couple
character
updates.
sleep.
Huh?
We need a flat space, and I'm gonna make a temporary camp. My character needs to sleep really badly. Tired
I
of
can
just...
give you probably a health mix and an energy mix too, or plus whatever.
Nah, let's
That'll
just...
help a lot.
Let's sleep. Because my character has been running on energy drinks for like 2 hours.
Heart attack.
Two in real life hours.
That's a weird sound.
Plus, I want to save. Sleep first, save next.
Okay.
It's nice that the oysters don't, like, rot.
Oh, what the hell?
Hmm.
That's a lot of bones.
Where?
This little room here below us.
I don't
This
see
is just
any
like a
bones.
dumping zone.
Oh, I see. Playing it like pick up a bowl.
No.
Up pickable. Slide? Slide time? Nope. That was the slide.
Drop down though.
Jump, do backflip.
Do a flip.
Yes, more
MRE.
MREs. Secret waterfall? Oh. Clean.
This isn't a real video game.
Seriously. We could try doing the mod pack that you were talking about, and then do the world gen that you were talking about with the cities or the domes, whichever one.
Stone block might be fun.
Stone block.
Or incredibly boring. Do you know what stone block is?
Yeah, we played it together.
Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, because I made the Atlas machine. That was the one that was generating all of the shit we had.
Hello.
Yeah,
What is
this is
this?
a
Oh,
new
it's another
cave.
recipe. What is this? What the fuck is this?
Looks like a turtle shell bomb. Or a... What is that?
3 turtle
No,
shells.
no, no. 4
Rocks.
batteries?
Oh, is this like a battery bank or something? Like a large battery
Why
bank?
would I need shells, though?
I don't know.
Maybe it's an electric stove? We gotta build some of these the next episode or two. see what the hell they are.
I wish it would, like, in your notes, it would tell you, like, the name of them or something, you know? Notes.
There's a long ass rope.
Oh, it is an electric stove, Jiver. The turtle shells are acting like a little, Oh, that's weird. Okay. Either that or it's a water
Oops.
purifier, like a bigger and better water purifier.
Hmm.
Which actually, that might be what it is. That's cool.
Did you want to go down this rope, or there was a secondary route as well? This looks like it might be progress, so we should
Okay, yeah,
maybe
let's go back
check
up.
what's up there first.
I'm hungry. No way. All the damn
Well,
time.
time to eat some cave moss.
I sort moss by color, not taste. Up. Okay, the other way is a slide.
No, fuck.
So figure out what's down there and if I need to come back somehow.
Okay. Oh my god, there's an LMG.
Oh my god, minigun!
There's, it's a bow, but like a minigun bow. It's it's an ancient Korean hwacha.
What the fuck?
That's the big,
It's a great bow.
do you know what that is?
I remember learning about it in school, but I don't remember exactly what it is.
What the fuck?
Isn't that the giant, like, it's got, like, multiple arrows, and then
Yeah.
you fire it, and it's just giant arrows, like artillery, pretty much?
It's the cart with a big box on it,
Yeah.
and the box holds a shit ton of arrows and little firework rockets.
Yeah. Those things are pretty interesting. Was that 2 different ways to go? Oh, come on. I'll go left. Left led to a free air tank, I guess. Oh, those are flippers. Can't I have those? Steal those, dude. What are you doing? Fine, whatever.
Steal those.
I mean,
There's a lot of
it's on
crosses down here.
it's on a skeleton, so
Holy shit.
maybe find another piece. I don't know where the fuck I am anymore.
I found an underground strip club. Nope, no, I found a artifact.
Of course. Which means I gotta figure out how the hell to get back to it.
I think you're gonna have to blaze through the rest of that cave and then come back, loop back through.
Hollow House. Feel sorry anybody who's watching who's afraid of tight spaces.
I don't understand why people go cave diving sometimes.
Why?
I'm not claustrophobe, but I see those videos, those nightmare videos where it's like a dude actually wedged. Huh?
I found a pickaxe. Oh, what the wait. What?
Is that an actual
I'm
item?
collecting ore? Like actual ore, dude.
I'm playing Minecraft.
Sulfite ore collected. What the fuck?
Sulfite?
What
Oh.
the fuck am I doing with what? Yeah, I have
It's
actual
fool's gold.
I have actual ore on me. I'm so confused. What the fuck am I supposed to do with this? What if that's what the turtle thing is? It's just an actual furnace to melt down gold. Or sulfite, I guess.
That's something that I thought about when we first saw it in the game. I was thinking, oh, it's gold, but it looks weird. I wonder, it's like fool's gold. But then they said it was gold. Like, in one of the lore thingies. I was like, okay, it's gold then. Just a stylized version or whatever.
I don't know what to do with this. I don't know where to go now. There's like no other path. How do you get lost again? Oh, here we go. Hmm. Oh, here we go.
Oh yeah, I see what you mean with the flippers. Bruh.
Yeah, that doesn't make any sense.
You have a wetsuit.
Yeah, but I want the flippers.
The wetsuit comes with the flippers.
Oh, does it? Oh.
Mhm.
I see.
I forgot about that too for a little bit, but you know, fuck you. You're stupid. Shut up.
Wow. Oh, I got meat? Hell yeah, I actually need this like right now. Oh, no, I don't. I need lots more. Do I have more? I do.
Water.
Drink it. Drink it up, drink it up, drink it up. What tour? Oh, I'm outside. Let's go. Okay. Now, where did the start of this?
Of the like Orion's belt of 3 caves,
The first one?
it's yeah, it's the first
What
one.
the hell? You come out and there's like, oh, we've been to these. I remember these. You come out and you come up to you remember those old warehouses? Like already built structures?
Yes.
Yeah, you come out to the like little fishing huts. What the fuck am I hearing?
Sola fight? Is that even real?
Probably.
I feel like that's
Alexa,
not
what is
spelled
Solafite?
right.
Not sulfite, you dumbass. I swear to God, Alexa's the dude.
Well, I mean, maybe it's just not real, and she thought you were trying to say sulfite.
Okay, I found another trap, and this one definitely looks like a blade trap. Or a fan? I don't know.
Did you enter a cave, or are you
No,
outside?
I'm outside. I'm in one of the huts. It was on one of the tables.
It's the first time that we would have found something actually in those buildings, then.
Yeah, the recipes are definitely new. They weren't in the game last time I played. Oh, hey, Kelvin.
That was something that I kind of missed about the first game. You remember how you could get into those really obscure secret locations?
Mm-hmm.
And there was the recipe for the church and the like original hang glider thingy.
Yeah.
And a couple other weird things. I think there were crossbow pieces too.
This is definitely a electrified blade trap. There's like no way it's not.
It's got a little light on top of it.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with the light, but we're eating deer tonight, boys.
Oh, okay. So we entered the first one, we came out the second one. There's a third one at the beach there.
I'm gonna go get the artifact really pack.
You could stop your video, or are you gonna cut it or something?
Probably just cut it.
Okay.
But it was down the rope, right? Or is it a way that you can't get back up the rope?
Down the rope, you can. It's a little bit annoying. It's quite a route, but you can backtrack the whole way. So whenever you
Probably just
get
lost
there,
again.
brr.
Knowing me, I'll just get fucking lost.
I gotta blow my schnoz.
Gross. Do it in the mic. Don't actually.
I was about to unmute my mic and then bring it really close. It's gonna be one of those nasty, really bubbly
Yeah, please
nose
don't.
blows too, by the way.
Do not. I joke. I kid. Please, spare me. I want to unequip it, please.
I'd prefer this type of, like, minor nose congestion over straight up not being able to breathe out my nostrils or constantly leaking out of my nose.
Okay, so I went the route that went.
You enter the cave, there's a little river, there's there's like a dead end, the optional route, which is a little hole with a rope on it, and then there's the other route that if you're not careful, you'll fall down the slip and slide, and that's the route you went.
So I'm going down the rope, is basically what you're saying.
Yes.
Oh my god, I hate myself so much, dude.
You fall down the slip and slide?
Yes.
Are you serious?
Ah!
Bro, what is wrong with you?
Well, I will be back, everybody. Oh, man. Alright. I'm just gonna come down to you, Jigger, and you can help me figure that one out after we're done with this other one, I guess.
Okay.
I am too dumb, apparently. Whoa, I am very sorry, but also
I'm
not,
dying.
but also very
I'm dying.
sorry. You're dying?
No, I was mocking
I
you.
actually have... Do you need meat? Because I've got a bunch, actually.
No, I just made some boiled meat.
So that's a good idea. I'm gonna do that.
Oh, you know what? This Sola fight shit is right next to and also looks like the artifact pieces.
You right? Maybe we'll have to repair it using it.
Mm-hmm. Forge it back together. What the fuck?
You're sliding into the lake.
Yeah. I will throw a grenade at you. I'm gonna start walking down to this other cave here.
Mm. Mm. Oh yeah.
A couple coffins over here.
Butt cheeks of the
What the
week.
hell is
What
this?
is your wisdom? Hi,
What
Kelvin.
the hell is
Alright,
this?
thank
What am
you.
I looking at?
Scare him, Kelvin. Get him. Rah, 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 rah. Attack. Alright, Kelvin, let's go. Don't catch yourself on fire on the way out.
don't let the fire burn your ass on the way out.
Kelvin would do it. I'm telling you. He's a man of very few brain cells.
Or at least he has a lot of brain cells. It's just that they're leaking out the sides of his ears.
You think enough not that I'm saying brain damage is easy to like recover from or anything, but you think at least if you stay in the game long enough, you'd think he'd start slowly like getting better, right? Getting
Yeah.
more cognitive functions back.
I think it's just that he's deaf now, and he's just a little bit of a funny guy.
What the
Just
fuck is
all in
going on
all.
here?
I
There's just a
don't know.
bunch of barrels. This is a go-kart track.
Barrels.
Hello. Would you like to give me your things and stuff? You're welcome. Here, look at this, Trevor.
I'll kill you. There's more wire on this one.
Found new plants. Arrowleaf. Oh, we need to set up farming things too at some point.
Yeah.
I've got some seeds from these. The thing I do miss from the first game is when you can make those gigantic farming plots. I don't think you can do that in this
Yeah.
game.
At least not that we know of.
Unless it's like one of those hidden recipes, which would be pretty cool.
Or there's some way that you make a custom one. Like there's no recipes for making a building, but you just sort of stick logs down. In fact, I almost think that's exactly what it is, but
Coins. Still need a can opener. Oh, it's in more fishing cabins. Interesting. Closer to the... I wonder if there's another recipe in here.
maybe.
Need more recipes. Like an auto fisher or something.
These
What
are
is this?
blackberries.
Found a...
I haven't slept in 3 months. There is something in the caves.
Great. Love that.
Is that an actual text dialogue to
It's
read?
a, oh, what the hell? Another thing of sulfite or sulfite ores.
Oh, weird.
Randomly in the thing here. But no, it's a piece of paper on the...
Yeah, I saw that.
Oh, Aaron.
I remember finding these buildings
These ones
a
specifically?
long time
No.
ago.
I don't
Huh?
remember. I don't remember seeing these ones. Those other ones, yeah, but these ones, no. That's a lot of arrows. Jerry, come grab some arrows.
These definitely weren't populated.
There's some more sulfite ore in here too.
Those are crossbow bolts. That's good. I needed more.
There's another one of those. The sleep restriction book. That's a lot of ore.
Wait, where the hell is this cave entrance?
What is this? Is there something in here?
It's a little
Nope.
horse carrier thingy. Little trailer.
I see you, pigeon. Who cares?
Where is this cave? Is it in the building?
I think it is. Oh, it's right here.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, definitely not been in this one. Oh,
oh,
get fucked.
wow. It just gets pitch black in here.
Wow, yeah.
Oh, what the fuck? This is different.
It's like a catacomb.
What is this? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, well, figured it out.
6,
6
7, 8,
pieces.
9.
Maybe?
We found it and broke it into 6 parts. I've killed the others. Bam.
Get fucked. Well, at least we know how many we need to find now. We got, what, 2 pieces?
Guess,
Oh,
yeah.
3, because you
3,
have,
yeah.
yeah. I still need to go grab the 3rd. Oh, Jesus fucking Christ.
This is weird and cool.
See, this is what I like about following games as they progress, like, in development, because you get to explore new shit almost every update.
hmm
It was like that when I was playing, shit, what was the name of the game? I know Terraria was definitely one that I was playing as they kept updating it. What the fuck is
Is that a
that?
catwalk?
Yeah, that's what I was looking at. Well,
What the
I
hell?
was trying to think
This
of
is jank.
another game that I played while I went through My Time with Portia, I guess. It's kind of an obscure one that not a lot of people would know. What
There's nothing in the
else?
water here.
Hello, Jesus. There's a lot of jump scares in this game.
Oh.
The skeletons just fell from the ceiling. It scared me.
This is cool. This feels different. Like, it's almost not like the same game. You know?
Yeah. Except for our little lights. And you and me walking
Yeah.
around with air packs on.
Skin suits and air tanks.
Rebreathers and shit. What is that humming sound?
Cave wind. What is that?
You didn't hear humming?
No? What is this?
Fire that. It's a cross. What are you doing?
Oh. No, it's one made out of metal or something.
It's not.
Right? Am I seeing that right?
Might just be wet.
It's like super shiny.
Watch out. Yeah, I don't know.
That first part of this cave kind of reminded me of one of the Amnesia games. The newest one. The one where you're... Oh, look, there's electricity or something down there. There's a rope.
That's got to be another part. That's my guess. It would make sense since it's kind of telling us about him. What the fuck? Oh, it turned them to gold? That's insane. They're golden skeletons. Taking it. Yoink. That's interesting.
Yeah.
So I haven't watched anything for the Sons of the Forest, so I have no idea what this is going to end up leading us to.
No, I haven't either.
Oh, there's another guy over here just chilling. Oh, he's looking at the road. Anything down here? Oh, there is. Yeah, there is stuff behind here. Oh, another recipe. This one looks like another trap, I guess. It's using one of the knights.
Oh, it's like a chariot thingy. Maybe? Or it's a generator?
I don't know. Some of the weird shit we need to be building. I need to figure out what they do.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I guess these crosses.
Oh no, wait a minute. Hold on. No, that doesn't work.
Disgrace the dead.
Hey, they made out of gold. Who cares? I care. That's like probably I don't know how much that would be. That's At
A lot of
least
money.
$50,000 right there. Just one of
Who
them.
the fuck is messaging me? Hold on.
Maybe millions. I don't know. That seems like way too much though. There's a rank little hole. If there were any a time for there to be a water monster to jump scare us, it would be in that little cave spot there.
I would be in a very vicious. Oh shit! Could you
Kelvin
imagine?
just
I'm
standing
so
there.
glad that it's not winter anymore because we've been stuck down there.
Yeah,
Oh wait, no, that's the ocean.
yeah.
Well, time to wrap up the video.
I guess. Kelvin, wait, bye-bye.
Figure out. I'll go get that piece off video, so we'll have it next time.
Yeah.
Also, you look so generic.
You kind of look like dude from I always forget his goddamn name. Night at the Museum,
Oh, Nicolas
but
Cage.
like kind of no. No, the other one. The fuck, Nicolas Cage?
Oh,
Uh,
is Nicolas
no,
Cage not at the Night at the Museum, or was it somebody else?
no, it was the
Was it the guy who played Teddy?
the fuck, no, the main character. Son of a bitch. I forget every single important name
Let's just look it up.
when it comes to movies.
Night at the Museum. Ben Stiller.
Yes, you kind of look like him, just a little bit. If he had black hair.
You look like the assassin who tried to beat us up, knocked us out, and then left at the beginning of the game.
Yeah.
Also, what's going on with your breathalyzer? Or you're not breathalyzer, your scuba suit. It's like your mouthpiece is missing, but the tubes are up, and you can see straight through them.
Well, alright.
Yay,
Go get you that, that other part.
Yeah.
It was a...
What's up? Goodbye, guys. I will be back. We will be back later.